Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Douglas Mesa Road runs through a quiet stretch of southern Utah, cutting across open desert land not far from Monument Valley. It is not a major highway. Instead, it feels secondary and deliberate, a road used by those who know where they're going rather than those passing through by chance. The drive is defined by space. Long, straight sections of the road extends towards the horizon, bordered by shrub desert, low vegetation, and exposed soil. There is very little development along the route. Buildings are rare, and when they appear, they're isolated rather than clustered, reinforcing how lightly this area is occupied. What stands out most is the surrounding terrain. Broad mesas rise in the distance, their flat tops and steep sides creating a layered skyline. These landforms shape how the road feels. Even at ground level, the presence of higher ground gives the area structure and orientation, helping define direction across otherwise open lands. The area around Douglas Mesa Road sits within a cultural landscape. Much of the surrounding land is part or adjacent to the Navajo Nation territory. As a result, land use here follows patterns different from nearby towns or tourist centers. There are no commercial strips or roadside attractions. The land remains functional, quiet, and largely unchanged. Travel along the road feels unhurried. Traffic is light, and long gaps often pass without seeing another vehicle. The silence is noticeable, broken mainly by wind and the distant movement of vehicles far off the road. That quiet gives the area a sense of separation from more traveled routes nearby. The mesas and open plains around the road also highlight the scale of the region. Distances between destinations are larger than they appear on the map. Roads like this exist to connect scattered homes, grazing land, and local routes rather than to move large volumes of traffic. Douglas Mesa Road is not about arrival. It's about a passage through a specific kind of space, one shaped by land, distance, and restraint. It offers a clear example of how roads function differently in remote parts of Arizona and Utah, serving practical needs while remaining secondary to the landscape itself. Here the land sets the tone. The road simply follows it.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.